direction, then you have a current that's going this amount of speed at such and such a direction, and you want to get to point A. Then you got to figure all that shit out. So that's where the, if I'm not mistaken, I see the catwalk. Don't I? Right there on the wall, right there. Should have brought the binoculars. I'm loving this. Huh? Look at that hole almost up there. See that one? So I'm figuring, yeah, that's a catwalk, and there's that tramway that goes across right there.